Never made a Spanish omelet before? Don't worry, I'm from Bloom Products LK, and I'll show you how. All right, I've got 3 eggs here. Let's crack them into a mixing bowl. Now I'm adding some black pepper, just like this. Don't forget to add a little salt, too, just like this. Let's give this a good mix. Look at how beautiful that mixture is. Now this is my favorite part, peeling the potatoes. Let's do it nice and neatly. All right, take a look at these potato slices. We want them a little thin. No rush, take your time. After that, we take our onions. Look how thin I'm slicing them. This is exactly the size we want. All right, let's cut the leeks now. Let's add some olive oil to the pan. Not too much, okay? All right, now I'm adding the onion slices to the pan, just like this. Let's add the potato slices to the pan. Look how beautiful they look. Let's give it a good mix. Oh my gosh, that smells so good already. Now I'm adding our cooked potatoes and onions to the egg mixture, just like this. Let's add the leek pieces now. Want a little more kick? Add some more black pepper. All right, we've added everything to the egg mixture now. Let's give it a really good mix. All right, it's time to add a little olive oil to the pan again. Now I'll pour the mixture into the pan. Then we'll cover it. I think the bottom is ready now. Let's place a plate on top and flip the omelet just like this. Now we'll cook the other side. Just like before, I'm going to cover the pan for a few minutes until the omelet is ready. Oh my gosh, this already smells amazing. And there we have it. Our Spanish omelet is ready. Let's cut a slice and see how it tastes.